Namaste ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Welcome to Bale Tulu Kalpuga online class. Okay. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಳುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾತನಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if you know the basic structure of sentence formation, okay, then it will be easy for you. The foreign language, the English and Indian language, the sentence formation will be the different. Okay, mainly subject, object, verb. Okay, these are the core part of sentences. So the combination, the how to use in the sentence, it will be differ. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, uh, okay, while forming the sentence we have to take this input. Okay, you have to understand the structure first. Anyway, the sentence is the group of word that is interconnected. Okay, word 1, word 2, word 3. Okay, now here we have to properly use the subject, object and verb. In English, the formation will be subject, verb and object. For example, I am going to school. Okay, subject I, go, school. These are the suffix cases. I am going. Okay, the main thing is subject, object, verb, where to put. In Indian language, the verb will be almost used at the end. Okay, but the thing is, no, in English we can use only in the one way. Okay, but Indian way, in Indian languages you can use either way also. Okay, for example, ಯಾನ್ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. ಯಾನ್ means I, ಶಾಲೆ object, school, po, go. Okay, ಯಾನ್ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. This ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ, the verb at end. Okay, in the continuous form. Okay, so ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಯಾನ್ ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ, that's also correct. Okay, ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಯಾನ್ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಯಾನ್ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, that's also correct. Yo, this is disturbing. Okay, go. Okay, ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ, and that's also meaningful, but the formal communication is ಯಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. Subject, object and verb. Okay, in subject, object you can add as many as these objects. Okay, ಯಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಸ್ ಇಡು ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ, ಯಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಸ್ ಇಡು ಕಾಸು ಕೊರ್ದು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ದೆತ್ತೊಂದು ಪೋವೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. Okay, you can keep on adding, but you have to subject and or we have to identify and you have to properly use it. Then now you learn to put the subject object where the proper position. After that, this suffix cases, the parts of speech in from to, that all comes in parts of speech. Vibhakti pratyaya. Okay, vibhakti pratyaya. I am going to school, like that. Okay. Then you have to take care about, well, after making while doing sentence, you have to think about this gender. Okay. Based on the gender also, this will change. What at the end of sentences, like ಈಗ ಯಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, me going school. If you put to gender, okay, say feminine gender, ആള് ಶಾಲೆಗೆ പോകുന്നുള്ളാള്, ആയെ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ പോകുന്നുള്ളേ, and it will be changed. This initial, the subject gender and subject gender, and at the end there will be changes based on this subject. Then count, singular, plural, or mass, this also affect. Aglu povundulleru, akulu, they, the group of people are going. Aglu povundulleru, aglu poteru, yanu pope, aye pope, alu popalu. Okay, this also, the count also very, very important. And tense. So based on this tense, okay, it will change at the end. Yanu povundulle, this continuous form. Yanu pote, simple past. Yanu povunduitte, past continuous. Yanu pope, I will go, I will go, I will be going. Yanu povundippe. So based on the tense also, the verb, the end, it will change. Okay. For example, one example, I am going to school, that type. Rama killed Ravana. Rama killed Ravana. So killing verb is coming here in middle. In Indian language, Rama Ravananu ಕೊಂದ, Rame Ravananu ಕಿರಿಯೇ, like that. This is the present tense. Past tense, ಕೆರ್ದಿತ್ತೆ, ಕೆರೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ, continuous, past continuous, ಕೆರೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ, ಕೆರ್ಪೆ, ಕೆರೊಂದಿಪ್ಪೆ. Okay. So this is the example. First, you have to learn to think like this. Okay. What you do now, make 3 boxes, line by line. Okay. Try to add the subject, object, and verb. Okay. Think in a sentence in English. Okay. Now place in this way. Okay. After that, you try to put parts of speech. Vibhakti pratyaya. Okay. You have to try to put. Also at the end, okay, while using the verb at the end, think about the gender of subject. Think about the count of subject. Think about the tense. Based on that one, it will change. Okay. First, think in English, then convert in our mother Tulu language. Okay. Gradually practice this. At least make a 10 sentence in English and convert to our Indian language or Tulu. Okay. This is the basic sentence formation. Okay. Uh, if you not understand anything, just comment it. Your feedback is very must. If you have any doubt, comment it. Also share this uh, channel, like this video, and enroll for one-to-one class or our courses. Bye, 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 model. Bye, model. Okay, it's disturbing. So, thank you.